Well, howdy folks, and welcome to day one of the mini bike build. So today I want to get the frame prepped and ready for primer and paint. But that means first I have to fit the fenders because I don't want to drill these after they're painted. So I need to put the fenders on and get those drilled out and mounted. I might have to do some minor fabrication there. But that means first I need to have the wheels on because I don't know where the fenders go until the wheel's on. And to put the front wheel on, I need to put the fork on. So I'm gonna have to half build this bike just so I can fit the fenders. But that's the plan for today. And it's gonna be like 184 degrees today in Texas. So getting started early. No more talking, let's start working. I am sweating like a pig, but I think the fenders are fitted. So I guess the next step is to clean everything and then sand it to get it ready for primer. Well, I think that's gonna about wrap up episode one, folks. So everything back here should be ready to prime and paint, but I am a sweaty mess and I am not gonna try to paint that today. So episode two, I'll lay down primer and paint and then we'll get around to putting it together. Thanks for tuning in.